Hello ladies and gents, welcome back. You know what? I wanted to film this place around here, man. But it's extremely mega scary. What you see over there, that's fog. One minute ago you could see everything. Now, nothing. Because of the fog. We are, I don't know how many meters altitude. Somewhere in Bulgaria. But, my friend, for sure I'm not gonna film this place. That's super sure. Oh. Check it out. I don't see the point for me to go over there, Phil. Why I came here? My days, man, I'm so stupid sometimes. Let me open a bit the window, and you're gonna hear the wind. That's mad. I think this is one of the most scariest places I've ever been. But anyway, sorry guys. Honest, I wanted to film around here. That's why I came this place. But nah, I will miss it. I'm not going out there, my dear friends. So ladies and gents, see you in my next one. Take care. All the best. That's just a toilet. It's very scary, I'm telling you. Even to reverse now is... Nah, I'm not risking.